Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make money with Digistore24 affiliate marketing as a beginner in 2024. Now, method that I'm going to show you today is not free, but it is cheap. These ads are cheap. So first thing you need to do, you need to choose a niche, but that niche should be something that you love, something that you understand, something that is familiar to you, because in that way, marketing is much easier because you know the right angle how to approach your potential customers. That is why it is important for that niche to be something that you know, something that you understand. So next thing you need to do, you need to go on Digistore24 affiliate marketplace, and here you need to choose a niche. So let's just say, for example, that I'm in weight loss niche, so I'll click here on digital products, and I'm going to scroll here and click on fitness and health. And here you can see all the available products that you can promote. So for example, let's just say I wish to promote this product here. So I will just click here on promote, and here I can get more information. Here you can see price of this product is $144. Affiliate commission is 30%. That is $30. So this is actually a good product. So next thing I need to do, I actually need to go on a website called Propeller Ads. Now, Propeller Ads are push notification ads. Yes, those are those annoying ads that you see on all of these websites that are keep popping up, but those ads actually work. So you need to click here on start, and you need to register for a free account. After that, you will come to your dashboard, and this is how your dashboard will look. So first thing you need to do, you need to click here on these zeros. And here you need to add funds to your Propeller Ads account. You can add funds from bank card or wire transfer. Here you can see minimum deposit is $100. If you deposit less money, then you cannot start a campaign. After you deposit your money, you need to click here on create a campaign in order to create a new campaign. Here you need to give it a name to this campaign. So I will simply go back here and I'm going to copy this, okay, just so I can know what this campaign is about. Okay, this is visible only to me, only to you, only to person who is actually creating this ad. Add a folder. Now I don't have any new folders, so I will leave it as it is. And here you can see choose advertising formats, on click, push notifications, intertitle, survey exit. Now survey exit is good, but it's actually for more experienced people. Now here you need to choose pop under or direct click. I usually choose direct click. Here you can choose pricing model, CPA goal, smart CPA or CPM. I will leave it as a CPA goal. Now here we need to add our affiliate link, our Digistore24 affiliate link. Now this is important. If you can create a capture page where you will actually capture other people's emails and then automatically redirect them to the sales page, that is best option. But if you are absolute beginner and you don't know how to create capture pages, don't worry, you can use direct affiliate links. In this case, direct Digistore24 affiliate link. Just click here on copy promo link and go back here, and I will simply paste that here. This is my Digistore24 affiliate link. Now here you can see these tags here. Now that is actually really important. What I like to do, I like to click here on click ID, and later you will see why I add this click ID. And when I scroll here, here you can set up traffic source. Here you can choose a country. So for example, let's just say United States, okay? United States. You can also add, for example, Canada. Okay, Canada. You can add more countries, but for now I will stick only with United States. Here you can choose cities or states. I will choose, for example, states, and let's just say, for example, California. Okay, California. And here daily campaign budget. Like I said, you must deposit at least $100. So let's just say I will add $20, and here you can see $30 is a minimum for a daily budget. Okay, so I will add $30. Total campaign, let's just say, for example, $100. Platforms, you can choose mobile or desktop. So for example, I will stick with desktop. Okay, operating system, I will use Windows. Okay, because I'm using desktop. Now these things here, you can play with them to see all the things that you can get with this stuff here, but I will leave it as it is. And when you scroll here you can see collect an audience for retargeting. Here you can see it is automatically do not collect, but I actually collect. That is why I click here, And when I scroll back here you will see that I actually added this click ID. That is why I added click ID, so I can actually collect data about the audience who actually engaged with my ads, okay? And that is why you wish to collect users who actually completed conversions in your campaign, okay? Here you need to add audience name. I will use, for example, keto in this case. You can create new audiences, okay? Here I will leave it as it is. Here I will also click, I declare and guarantee that my campaign meets the quality guidelines, okay? And click here. And all I have to do now is just click here on start campaign and I will start my campaign. Now with this company, you won't have some insane ROI, but you will make money. These ads are really cheap, so for a little money you can send lots of traffic to your affiliate offer and you will make a sale. You will start making money with Digistore24 affiliate marketing. And that is why, as you can see, setting this campaign is really simple, really easy. So if you're a beginner, you can actually try this because you only need to invest $100 and you will get lots and lots of traffic if you do everything right. Like I said, I would recommend you to collect data from the users who actually engaged with your ads. So as you can see, it is not that complicated, it is not that expensive, but you will start making money with Digistore24 affiliate marketing. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.